What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and welcome to another short little unboxing with yours truly. Just so you guys know, those of you who don't know, down in the description is a list of all the most popular EDC folding knives, at least in my opinion, of like the last 10 years or so, plus some stuff that I've kind of come to really love and have kind of mixed in there. I've got it all categorized: Spyderco, Benchmade, ZT, there's some Cold Steel, some Kershaw, there's some really cool budget knives if you scroll down far enough, along with some maintenance items, some tools. There's budget stuff, there's more expensive stuff, there's stuff for everybody. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into this box here. This box was sent by the Apex Pass Run Group. Actually, I believe it came, Big Red EDC had it last, so those of you who are just subscribed to him might have an idea of what it is. It's got a good channel. I like his channel a lot, absolutely. So let's go ahead and get in here. What do we have? Oh boy, the intrigue. As usual, the intrigue is peaking for me because I don't know what this is. So like I can select what the stuff that's available through the Pass Run Group to review, and I select it. I'm like, that looks great, but it's so often that I forget what's on rotation. So here we go. Okay, it's one of these. No Limit Knives, out the front, automatic. Oh, this is, okay, so this is a manufacturer that I am not familiar with at all. And I was like, wait a second. Because something that the budget world has been lacking for a while, outside of a couple of brands, I can't remember what the other brand is. You know, the Lightning OTF was like the quintessential budget EDC OTF for a long time, and then other OTF companies had a problem, making a reliable OTF. And then the Boker Kalashnikov was like the quintessential side opening budget OTF. So this is a newer budget OTF brand, No Limit Knives, and I have not experienced. What's this? Is that the source for the fine color? Okay, so this is apparently where it came from. Anyways, let's take a look at this guy. Right off the bat, the fit and finish is pretty impressive. I'm gonna guess that interesting font. I'm very impressed with this overall. Right away, the font is something that I would change. That's something that I would type up that's a font I would use to type up paper in college. But anyways. Okay. Yes, I'm remembering now because it has sort of a sheep's foot blade. Yeah, if you're wondering, yes, the action feels very good. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I've handled many Microtech OTFs, and while there's never going to be a substitute for the real thing, I'll tell you guys right now, I'd always go with a full USA-made, legitimate Microtech over, not to say that this is a knockoff. It's clearly its own thing. But the OTF design, I think, has been perfected in the handle shape. So you're going to see a lot of OTFs out there that kind of look similar. But this isn't a direct clone of anything. But as far as a budget OTF goes, and I'm saying that right now, but I honestly don't know what the price is on these guys. This is a really impressive build. Looks like the body screws are similar to what Spyderco uses. This has to be aluminum. There's like a brush finish here on the top, but they've got nice contouring and rounding. No sharp edges to speak of. The seam here is nice. Everything looks great. How are we up here? A little bit of typical OTF blade play, definitely, but that's normal. Wait a second. 154 cm. Is this even a budget knife? Where does this come from? Okay, guys, I'm going to have to do more research. I mean, you guys, those of you who have been around for a while, you know how I do this. I give legitimate first impressions. A lot of these knives that I open up, I know nothing about. So it never fails. There'll be, however many people watch, there's always one person who thinks that this is an actual review. And they're like, why didn't you do any research on it before you reviewed it? Guys, this isn't a review. This is me unboxing something that I know nothing about. In the next few days, sometimes it takes a little longer, weeks, I will be, carrying this, doing some research on it, getting my actual thoughts sort of put together, and then I'll do an actual review. My first impressions of this are, wow, it's solid. Wow, that's pretty cool that it's using 154 cm. Kind of a ridiculous font on a pocket clip. I keep calling this a budget OTF, but I'm not 100% sure that it is. It has feelings of quality that are indicative of a much higher priced item, but I don't know if this is a $50 knife or it's a $150 knife. I don't know. Feels good though. Definitely a cool blade shape, definitely solid action, and I'm a big fan of that steel. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. Kind of rambly there, went on for a little bit. Like I said, links in the description if you've got the itch and are looking for a new knife. I've got something down there for everybody. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.